A very good morning to one and all present here. A very good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
I welcome you all on behalf of DAV family. A warm welcome to and Dr. Sadhana, Assistant Professor, Management JMIT, Radur. With great zeal, I welcome Madam Principal Dr. Surinder Kaur. And I also welcome Dr. Monica Sharma, Convener, PDP and Placement Cell, Dr. Ranjana, Dr. Richa and Mr. Parmesh Tyagi, Co-Convener, PDP Cell. Thank you everyone for their kind support for organizing this program. Today we have gathered here for an extension lecture on topic employability training. We believe that life is hard and jobs are challenging, and we all have to walk through hard and challenging tasks to make ourselves upgraded, and yet our skills, tools and technologies help us to believe that it's all easy. Employability skills are crucial for students because they equip them with the necessary soft skills and behavior to succeed in the workplace. It refers to a set of personal and professional abilities that enable them to successfully secure and perform well in a job. So keep believing, keep growing, and heaven will be cheering you on today, tomorrow, and forever. So now I would like to invite.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Oh, come on. We are strong. We are all independent and going to become future leaders. So I want that voice in you right now. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Can we be a little more? Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. Students, yes, we all are gathered here, right? And I'm so thankful for the college administration for giving this opportunity to us. So before I go ahead with this topic of employability training, which is very, very important for all of us, right? Whosoever we are, in whatever position we are going to start this topic. But before we start and we go ahead, let's do a simple activity, right? So I hope everyone is having a piece of paper with you, right? Everyone is having paper? Yes, everyone. Yes, take out a piece of paper. Everyone, please go that. If in case I have few rough pages, in case you don't. Please take out Are we all ready? Yes. Okay, I request please close your eyes now. Okay, everyone to close your eyes. I can see. Students, please. I request, yes. Fine. Now please divide this paper, fold this paper into half. Yes.
Hold the paper.
Fold the paper like this.
Close your eyes.
And do not open your eyes, students, please. Close your eyes. Okay? Now please rip off the first right hand corner of the paper. Upper right hand, upper right hand of the corner of the paper. Upper right. Which one is right, Vijay? See. Okay. This one is left and this one is right. So please, but you need to do this while closing your eyes. Fine? Now we are not going to open it. Fine? Okay.
Hold it like.
Okay. So please rip off the first right hand corner of the paper. Rip off. Yes, everyone? Are we done? Now fold it one more Hold it one more time.
Hold it. हाँ जी.
Hold it one more time. Okay. Now left side, left upper right, left upper hand. Initially you did that for what? For the right one. Now you please do that for the left side.
Tear of the left upper.
Rip off, yes. Please tear from the left side, upper. Are we done? Okay. Now fold that again, students. And now you need to tear that from the lower right side, lower right hand side.
Lower right side. Tear it off. The corner.
Done? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Now please everyone to open their eyes and show me what you actually made.
Hold your paper.
Okay.
Open it.
Okay. Open it.
Yeah, like that.
Yes. Okay.
Good.
Nice.
Okay.
Fine. Okay. Students, so the motive behind this is, see, I have given an instructions to everyone, right?
Same thing.
That's all. It's fine. So I have given instruction to each and everyone. Fine. And the mode was extremely, like for everyone it was the same. But the piece of paper that you people are showing it to me, it's different for all. Isn't it?
So what are the takeaways?
So what do you think? What are the takeaways?
What is the lesson behind it? क्या पता चला हमें इससे?
सबकी मेंटालिटी अलग-अलग है.
The level of perception is different, right? How you perceive the world, how you perceive the things, right?
Because see, let's say in the communication it's a two-way process, isn't it? Yes. So if I have given you some instructions, you need to respond accordingly, right? And that's how communication just not only includes to speak, it also includes listen as well. So students, without further delays, let's start with this particular topic, which is our employability training. In this particular thing, I will be letting you know 3 aspects of employability training. We'll be understanding the first thing. What is it? Yes, are we ready to know? What is it? What is employability training? Why do we need it? Right? For what purpose? What kind of problems that it is going to solve for us? And the third one, how we are going to build ourselves for this competitive world. That means to be ready to fight against the challenges of this competitive environment. Fine? So now let's start with the employability training and the skills which are required for this particular dynamic environment. Okay? So I'll just scroll down with my slides also. Okay. So as you can see that in the slide as well, it is something which is associated with the jobs. So something which is preparing us to get an employment, something which is making us ready to get a job. That's something we really know. But students, employability training, it is not just there to get a job. It is also there to survive into that job. It is also there to excel into that particular job. So for example, I have got a job, but I am not able to get a promotion into it. So for that, what do I need? Again, we comes to basic students, and that's what is your employability training. We'll be covering, right, in the employability training, different aspects of it, different skills for it, right? So as I have explained earlier as well, employability, that is something which is in a specific career. Because see students, why this slide is there? Because we all have different interests. You all have different interests? Yeah. I have different interests. Yes or no? Yes. Fine. Somebody wants to be, let's say, a CEO, or somebody wants to initiate their own businesses. So as for that, it is not specific to one of the profession. It can be, or it is multitasking for us. So specific career, if in case we wants to. Fine. Now move. and that has also been scientifically and practically proven as well. As for this article also, why this particular, this particular Hindustan Times, what it talks about, that skills or the training, it is directly proportional to what? To your job. And in the budget also, you must have seen that in this Nirmala Sitharaman, they have actually presented skill centers. They are going to get open into different parts of the country. And why do we require it? Because students, it's enough for us being a developing nation. We want ourselves to be a developed nation, and for that we want skilled persons. So somebody who's holding a degree, it's fine. Because education and degree, that will only provide you a kind of, you can say, eligibility. But on the basis of education, on the basis of eligibility, you may get a job, but how do we excel it? How do we prove ourselves? So for that, what do we require? We require skills. We require skills, and these skills we are going to provide into these skill centers. And that's why the importance of skills and the importance of training, it is actually way more than we actually think. Right? So yes, skills, they are really important.
And the skills is not just the communication skills. You need to have managerial skills also. You need to have social skills also. And you need to have professionally strong also. Right?
Fine.
So moving on to a small video.
कहानी है दो बच्चों की वो एक गांव में रहते उसमें से एक ये कहानी है दो बच्चों की जो एक गांव में रहते थे।
Visible at the
एक 6
back.
साल का था और एक 10 साल का। दोनों बहुत अच्छे दोस्त थे, बिल्कुल शोले के जय और वीरू जैसे। दोनों हमेशा साथ साथ रहते, साथ साथ खेलते, साथ साथ खाते पीते, साथ साथ नहाते धोते। नहीं धोते नहीं, ये थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया। तो एक दिन वो दोनों गांव से थोड़ा दूर निकले और खेलते खेलते उनमें से जो बड़ा बच्चा था 10 साल वाला, वो कुएं में गिर गया और जोर जोर से चीखने चिल्लाने लग गया। उसको तैरना नहीं आता। अब जो दूसरा बच्चा था, छोटा था 6 साल का, उसने अपने आसपास में देखा और उसको कोई नजर नहीं आया, उसको कोई नहीं दिखा जिसको कि वो बुला सके हेल्प के लिए। और फिर उसकी नजर पड़ी एक बाल्टी पे जिसमें एक रस्सी बंधी थी। उसने एक सेकंड भी वेस्ट नहीं किया, उस बाल्टी को उठा करके कुएं में फेंक दिया और अपने दोस्त को बोला कि पकड़ ले उसको। उसके दोस्त ने पकड़ा और वो अपनी पूरी ताकत लगा करके पागलों की तरह उसको खींचने लगा। खींचता रहा, अपनी पूरी जान लगा दी उसने। छोटे से बच्चे थे 6 साल के और 10 साल के बच्चे ने उस बाल्टी को पकड़ा हुआ था। खींचता रहा और तब तक नहीं रुका जब तक उसने अपने दोस्त को बचा लिया, जब तक वो बाहर निकला। अब यहाँ तक तो ठीक था, यहाँ तक तो ये कहानी समझ आती है। लेकिन हुआ क्या कि जैसे ही ये दो बच्चे जब दोनों एक हो गए, जब बाहर आए और आकर के गले मिल रहे, रो रहे और खुश हो रहे, एक तरफ से उनको डर भी लग रहा था। डर था कि अब गांव जाएंगे तो बहुत पिटाई होगी जब उनको बताएंगे कि ऐसे हम कुएं में गिर गए और ये सब चीजें हुई। लेकिन मजे की बात, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ। वो जब गांव गए और जा करके उन्होंने अपने घर वालों को बताया, बाकी गांव वालों को बताया, तो किसी ने विश्वास नहीं किया, पूरे गांव वालों ने। और वो अपनी जगह बिल्कुल ठीक थे, क्योंकि उस बच्चे में इतनी ताकत भी नहीं थी कि वो बाल्टी पानी से भरी हुई वो उठा सके। तो इतने बड़े बच्चे को इतनी ऊपर खींचना तो बहुत दूर की बात है। लेकिन एक आदमी था उस गांव में, उसने विश्वास कर लिया। उनको सब रहीम चाचा कहते थे, उस गांव के सबसे समझदार बुजुर्गों में से एक। और सबको लगा कि यार ये कभी झूठ नहीं बोलते, अगर ये कह रहे हैं तो जरूर कोई ना कोई बात होगी, कोई ना कोई वजह होगी जिस वजह से ऐसा कह रहे हैं। और फिर सारे गांव वाले इकट्ठे होकर के उनके पास में गए और जाकर के बोले कि देखो जी, हमें तो कुछ समझ आ नहीं रहा, आप ही बता दो कि ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है। तो उनको हंसी आ गई। वो बोले कि यार इसमें मैं क्या बताऊं, वो बच्चा बता तो रहा है उसने कैसे किया। बाल्टी को उठा करके कुएं में फेंका, उसके दोस्त ने बाल्टी को पकड़ा, उसने रस्सी को खींचा और अपने दोस्त को बचा लिया। तो आपको पता तो है उसने कैसे किया, बच्चा बता तो रहा है, इसमें मैं क्या बताऊं। तो सारे गांव वाले उसकी शक्ल देखे। फिर कुछ देर बाद वो बोले कि सवाल ये नहीं है कि वो छोटा सा बच्चा ये कैसे कर पाया, सवाल ये है कि वो ये क्यों कर पाया। उसके अंदर इतनी ताकत कहां से आई? और बोले इसका सिर्फ एक जवाब है, सिर्फ एक, कि जिस वक्त उस बच्चे ने ये किया, उस टाइम पे उस जगह पर दूर दूर तक कोई नहीं था उस बच्चे को ये बताने वाला कि तू ये नहीं कर सकता।
Got the lesson? Yes, ma'am. कोई और भी नहीं था और उसका खुद का माइंड भी 6 साल के बच्चे का माइंड इतना वो नहीं होता कि वो उसको खुद भी मना कर पाए कि I cannot do this, right?
So yes, students, and before we going ahead, and what is the reason behind to showcase this video to you, is that just believe on yourself. Believe inside the strength that you actually holding in. Right? No matter what, no matter from where we are coming from, you just have to believe in yourself, right? You will surely going to excel in your lives. Fine? So, as we were going ahead with the skills which are required for the employability training, these are few of the skill set which is required. Students, you can see that the learning and in the form of literacy and also in form of your life skills. So, different skills which we have actually gathered for you. When we talk about your learning skills, students, it is something which is in the form of, let's say, learning aspect for your critical thinking. In students' life, when we talk about your logical thinking, when we talk about problem solving, let's say you have actually solved a case study. So this is actually something that we do in our student lives. If you have, let's for example, and in the organization, when you have come across an organizational crisis, you are not able to get a supplier for the raw material. So how you are going to solve the critical thinking, the process which is actually going to hold. You just not have to do in the company just 9 to 5 job. Some of the time you need to solve the company's problem. Some of the times you need to solve you need to come out with the solution as well. So in these scenarios, these skills are going to help students, and these skills are not just there for the corporate world. In our day-to-day life, whatever that we do, the options that we have, and the criteria on the basis of we choose themselves, this is also about your problem-solving ability and your critical mindset, isn't it? And the most important part now that comes in the form of your communication. Students, since the beginning itself, I think from the day one that you have initiated your bachelor's program, you must be hearing in your curriculum also, communication, it has a very important aspect. And all the time we say that, it is very important for all of us. Either it is, let's say, for an interview, either it is, say, for any kind of presentation, it is very important. So how many of you, I just wanted to ask a question from from all of you, and please raise your hand for that. How many of you feel comfortable while giving a presentation in English, student? How many of you feel comfortable? Yes, I am ready then and there. Please call me. I am ready on the spot. How many of you feel comfortable? On the spot. Or how many of you feel, let's say, for the presentation, I am okay with the presentation. I am able to see only hardly out of you, hardly 4 hands. Now they are also not there, let's say only 1 or 2 hands. We all are final year students?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? We are going to complete our degree. Yes. And it's not something I'm making a judgment, students, but see, we all are going to enter in a professional environment, right? Apart from the degree that you are going to hold, and all the time your faculty must be telling you this, apart from the degree that you are going to hold, the marks that you are going to hold, something which is going to matter is the way that you present yourself, is the way that you communicate, right? It is really important, students, and at this point of a time, from the experience that I have learned so far, I'll say, students, your subjective knowledge can wait, right? Your technical knowledge, you can learn that particular thing, fine. But the communication, the way that you present yourself, it is something that you have to gulp, right? You have to understand its importance from the day one. And if in case we are not, abhi tak agar humne start nahi kiya, students, please Now please stand in front of the mirror and practice in the morning just for 5 minutes. Fine? Only 5 lines for 5 minutes. And after a week, you will see a kind of a different personality. Please practice that, okay?
मिरर सबके पास है?
Yes, everyone is holding a mirror. Yes.
तो आज जाके लिख लेना मिरर इज माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड. ठीक है? जितना मर्जी आप रिहर्स करेंगे, जितना मर्जी आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, कोई नहीं हंसने वाला ना, राइट? सो मिरर इज योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड फ्रॉम टुडे ओनली, राइट? सो कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग योर इंट्रोडक्शन, कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग योरसेल्फ in front of mirror for 5 minutes on daily basis, right?
Because as I told you in the beginning itself, so it is not just about effective communication. Okay, I'm really good into communication. You know, now you are confident after practicing, after having a session. Now everything is done. But how about the listening part? You should be a good listener also, because communication, it is only and only going to complete when there is an effective communication plus the interpersonal skills that you hold. Right? So it is important from the two-way around students. Now let's move on to the next skills which we have, which is in the form of critical thinking. That's, you already know, the problem solving ability and the kind of aura with the help of which you solve the company's problem. Students, see, we are nowadays into age of automation. है ना? Everyone ChatGPT use करते हो सब लोग? है ना? सबके phone में भी होगा. Yes, everyone is using that. For example, I have to do something. I have to frame any kind of a message. We do use ChatGPT for our questions, for your, you know, the subjective part, assignments. we are using ChatGPT. So in this age of automation, in this age where everything is, you know, AI, artificial intelligence, where everything is auto-generated, how critical thinking and how problem solving ability, it is going to help us. How it is? Because see, if I have a kind of a problem, then I'll ask to these AI methods, I'll use these AI methods. But ma'am, आप तो बोल रहे हो कि हमें mindset ऐसा होना चाहिए. Why? Why do you think so? Why we need to have these skills inside us? For what reason? We are living into an automation, we are living in the age where everything is auto-generated, but still, I'm telling you that the critical thinking and the problem-solving ability, it is very, very important. For what reason? Why the data analysts who are holding a position of an analyst inside the company, they are having a package of crore students.
They are highly paid.
Yes?
Data analyst positions are highly paid professionals, right? So ChatGPT is going to eat their jobs. Yes. Do you think? Hanji?
So why not all the organization, they are going to fire all these data analysts, but still they are holding a majority of the salary package. They are still, you know, companies are still hiring the analysts for the positions also. For what reason? Anyone?
AI is already human made. Humans ने ही तो बनाया उसे, तो इतना भी प्रैक्टिकल चीज़ें कभी कभी वो भी गलत बोल देता है. AI भी प्रैक्टिकल इतना नहीं होता. तो प्रैक्टिकल इंफॉर्मेशन को ग्रैब करने के लिए हमें उस सिचुएशन में होना ज़रूरी है. जस्ट नॉट वी कैन आस्क AI डायरेक्टली.
Human intervention is important. Good. A huge round of applause.
So no matter what we are doing, students, maybe we are using a software, anything, the kind of the level of the thinking, the logical aspects, it is all the way required. ठीक है, we have information. ठीक है, we all have data. But who is going to use that data and the information for the decision making? We being humans, the person who are going to perform in that particular job. Fine. So that's why the importance of the critical thinking, it actually comes into existence. So again, I'm telling you students, yes, these all platforms, they have been made by us. We all humans have made them. But at the end of the day, which matters to us is the ability, the qualities, right? And that becomes what? Your employability, skills and the training itself. And that's why we say that it is what? An important aspect of your employability training. Now let's move on.
Got the point?
Yes, everyone. Now let's move on to the very important aspect which all the time we hear, it is your
Leadership.
What it is?
And teamwork.
Right. So students, what do you think? If anyone, please tell me an idea, because this is something which is very common and all the time we hear it, है ना? सुनते हैं ना हम सब लोग? Yes.
So what is the role of leadership and teamwork in any organization? Any one of you? हाँ जी.
जो टीम वर्क होता है, मतलब जब हम एक टीम में काम करते हैं तो अलग अलग आइडियाज हमें मिलते हैं. किसी का आइडिया कुछ और होता है जिससे हमें लॉन्ग टर्म प्रॉफिट अर्न हो सकता है. तो क्या नाम है, अगर हम अकेले कर रहे हैं पर अकेले हम अपना बिजनेस करें तो हमें ना क्या नाम है एक ही आइडिया होता है और वो कई बार हमारा अच्छे मतलब सही भी नहीं होता हमारे बिजनेस के लिए. और जो टीम वर्क में होता है, टीम वर्क में काफ़ी सारे आइडियाज आते हैं जिससे हमारा प्रॉफिट ज़्यादा होता है और क्या नाम है ना हमारा बिजनेस लॉन्ग टर्म तक चलता है.
Okay. Yes. Somehow agree. Anyone who wants to say?
Anyone from this side?
build होता है.
Sorry.
Coordination. With the help of teamwork.
Coordination.
Yes, the
Okay.
coordination, which is very important.
Okay.
Fine. Students, see, let's come one by one. I'll tell you the importance over here. Everyone, see, leadership is something which is not just supervising. It is not about observing somebody. It is not about that providing an order. Fine. It is something, a kind of a quality or an ability of a person to influence, to inspire somebody to work for us. Right? Agree. And on the same hand, the teamwork. Right? We are working. Ratan Tata, he is a very, very good, let's say, in terms of leadership. We all the time quote his example, and the team that he holds all over India, in fact, global level, right? With the help of what? With the help of leadership that he had, and the teamwork inside the all organization that he has actually maintained, and with the help of that, he has survived. Since the day one, the company is so much years, they have survived so many competition, they have survived so many global organization, and at that point of a time in 2025, they are still, doing really, really good in comparison to the other organization. Right? And how? With the help of, first thing, with the help of leadership that he holds, the kind of quality that he has inspired individuals to work for them, and also at the same time the teamwork, the effective collaboration of the individual, right? So this is really, really important, because see, individual level you may be good, but if in case you are not able to perform in a team, that is also a kind of a drawback, because in a company we are not working on an individual level, we are working as a team. Either it is in form of marketing, your HR, your finance, we are working as in a synchronized effort. So that's why the importance of leadership plus your teamwork, it is actually really, really important, right? So now let's move on to the another skills of problem solving we have already done. Yes. Digital literacy, students. Anna? It is really important, digital literacy and the kind of technological skills.
Tech savvy.
Yeah, right. Don't you think that it's fine that we are using Instagram and Facebook? So I'll not say that you all are really efficient into digital skills. Everyone is having Instagram and Facebook. Yes, we all are using. But that doesn't make us that we are really, really good into technical skills, right? It is something which is associated with the job, something which is associated to enhance our skills, okay? But with the help of all these platforms, how you are able to generate your business. We are using social media just not to post our pictures or just not to see the reels or shorts. When we are using social media with the help of, let's say, to generate business, to generate leads, to earn out of it. So that's what we are really proficient in terms of digital technology, students, right? We are using, let's say, the Excel formulas, we are using some kind of a software we are proficient into. So these skills can make us a digital, or let's say, as ma'am has said, tech savvy. Fine. And
highest earning profession है ना YouTubers का तो आजकल,
Yes.
right? You already know, right?
And that's why, see, if I talk about in India itself, the users which we, how did that happen? With the help of digitalization. And all thanks to whom? To the COVID students. All thanks to COVID, right? Because of that, in India also, the developed nation, they were earlier also, they are using this work from home segment. In India, we have also started with the help of all these digital platform, these particular type of skills, and we have made ourselves confident in terms of, and now we are way ahead than them. right? So from Mufli wala to auto rickshaw, everyone is using Google Pay, right? So
Paytm karo, huh?
it is not actually happening in the other countries, students. Please believe this fact to me. It is not happening in the other European country. They may have started this trend, but now we are the one who are leading it, right? So please clap for us for this, because we are the one who are leading it right now. We may have started late, right? We may have started late, but we are the one
Already
now. We are
surpassed them.
leading it. Fine. So it is very important, and that's why the importance. You can see in Narendra Modi also says that digital India. Yes. Right. So you being a young generation, you have to make sure that we are the future generation, and we make sure that this type of skills are going to incorporate in us, and we are going to help our nation and ourselves at the same time to building this developed nation for our. And yes. So as you can see in the slide also, professionalism and what do you see? Professional etiquette and liaison, or you can say the networking students. Right, okay, so I'll ask please, what's your name? Yes. Tamanna. Can you please read out what we have written over here? Is it visible? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
First,
Let's start with the professionalism.
Professionalism, maintain professional.
You want to come here? Okay, come.
Demeanor.
Demeanor, dressing
Appropriately.
appropriately, being punctual and exhibiting correctly and respect.
Courtesy.
Courtesy and respect. Networking, develop network skills, attending industry events, connecting with professionals on LinkedIn and building relationships.
LinkedIn and building professional relationship.
How many of you are on the LinkedIn?
Everyone has a profile?
Keep updating that also?
Very nice.
Very good.
So this is really important, students, if in case we all are having this file and we all are actually going to, because see, this is a kind of a platform with the help of which we are going just not to have a professional exposure, but we'll be learning some online courses, some online skills, the courses that you actually require for your degree. It is going to enhance your day-to-day life. It is going to enhance the skills that you require in your day-to-day life.
So it's very important to create your LinkedIn page and keep updating that also. Right? LinkedIn account sabhi ka hona chahiye and keep updating that also.
Everybody knows that
This is the most professional network that will offer you the maximum job opportunities of the industry. Right?
So I hope everybody is aware about how to create a LinkedIn profile. Yes, everybody. So next time, if in case we get an opportunity to visit, right, I want everyone to raise their hand when I ask this question. How many of you are having a LinkedIn profile? Okay, yes? Yes. Fine. Okay, now let's move ahead for the next thing, which is your personal branding and your career branding. So when I started this particular lecture, I told you 3 things. Remember? What were the 3 things? When I started the lecture, I have actually mentioned 3 things, that what all that we are going to cover. We'll cover that into 3 segments. The first one was what, why, and how. Okay, please, again. What, why, and how. Right? So, everybody sitting in this room, I hope everybody now knows what is employability training. I hope everyone. Yes?
Are we on the same page?
Yes. And why employability training? Because since that time when I have started my presentation, I have been focusing into why. Because it is going to help us into communication, it is going to help us with the critical thinking, it is going to help us for the problem solving, right? It is going to help us for the what? Professionalism, networking, right? So you must be wondering कि मैम इतने सारे फायदे हैं, तो yes, we should move ahead, right? But लेकिन ये अब करना कैसे है ना? ये तो बताया ही नहीं, right? So that's how the third parameter came into existence, and that's we are going to start with, right?
Personal
It is-
branding and
your
career
planning, students. So we are going to start with just first one. First of all, what you need to do is define your
goals.
You must be aware, short term, big term, right? कि मुझे क्या करना है? I need to secure good marks. That can be a goal. I need to go ahead with any type of online program, courses. That is also a goal, right? I need to prepare for UPSC, IAS, IPS, or for the higher education. That is also a goal. So students, right? You have a kind of sea of opportunities in front of you, but out of those opportunities, what you need to do is you need to pick for yourself. You need to pick which is specific to you, and that's why it is really important what you define your goal. It is very important that we should know what we are going to do. Fine, करना है, सबको करना है. Job चाहिए, पैसा चाहिए, income चाहिए. Everybody wants that. Who doesn't want? Fine, but how we are going to start with it, and that's what define your goal, students.
Right?
And yes, build your brand. Students, present yourself as a brand, and all these things which I've been telling you, it is for what reason? It is to make sure that when you go inside the market, when you go there to grab those opportunities, nobody thinks you that you are lesser, some IIM or any other colleges graduate. Please build yourself as a kind of a brand. Everybody uses the Nykaa app. Yes? Nykaa app सब लोग use करते होंगे ना, because girls audience yes है ना? हाँ, yes or no?
Yes.
हम लोग use करते हैं Nykaa वाली app. Yes. So the lady behind this Nykaa app, who was she? Falguni Nayar, right? And do you know that how she has actually started with this?
Anyone?
Anyone? No? Okay, so she has actually worked into several banks or a good position, no doubt. But at the age of 50, students, at the age of 50, and she has only done her schooling from a basic school from Delhi itself, New Era school. There is a school, right? Very normal level school, right? There is no hi-fi background or there is no rich background, something like that. But with the help of the hard work that she has earned enough money, right? With the help of jobs that she has done, and at the age of 50, she did not restrict herself. She has clarified her goals, right? And that time she has actually discovered that aura in herself and initiated this particular brand which we all are using, which is known as Nykaa. And now at this 2025, holding the majority of the share in the cosmetic and the FMCG industry, students. So please, this is something which is really commendable. So somebody who can start at the age of 50, you people, you have got this opportunity, right? You are having this exposure, good faculty, good environment. So why can't we? We are not lesser than anybody else, students. So please, after finishing this particular lecture, I want everybody please to focus, and I want girls, yes. It is very important for girls to be independent, students. It is more than wise, I'll say that. More than wise, it is very important for us to be independent, to earn that money, right? To have that faith in ourselves, right? So that we can lead our life, our own motives, we can define our values by our own beliefs and the kind of skills that we possess. Fine, so yes, and that's why.
You all agree to this?
Yes, and that's why the reason behind this story, the reason behind, why I'm telling this, you need to build your
Brand.
right.
Create your portfolio, right?
Right, and how we are going to create it with the help of, right, the basics thing which we're going to start is, basic thing, we can create a resume, students. We can start while building a resume or a CV. Fine. So
Everybody has a resume?
everybody has CV सबके पास है, right? So there are so many platforms nowadays that we are using. Fine, let's say your Canva, let's say your CVWizard.com, with the help of
Resume
which,
Builder, so
right?
many apps are
So many apps are there. If you go and search in the Google platform, within just 2 minutes, right? Within just 2 minutes, all thanks to AI, right? Within just 2 minutes, you are able to create your own customized profile with the help of picture and everything. You'll be able to create your CV. So I request, start doing it now. And the first step, build your, right? Create your portfolio with the help of the resume and your CV. Okay. So now I am going to, because see, इतना सब कुछ सुन लिया है हमने, right? Communication करना है, मैम, problem solving भी होनी चाहिए, इतना सब कुछ करने को है. But now something which is going to inspire us. So for that, we have a short video, students. There are some clips from the pictures in Bollywood movies. Just a short clip. So I request everyone to please listen each and every word that they are going to say you, right? So please.
बस
समय तक नहीं बैठा जा रहा तो बस बैठ जा, चैलेंज ले कि मैं बैठूंगा,
जूम करने में
प्रॉब्लम करूंगा, थ्योरी पढ़ूंगा, पुराने पेपर देखूंगा, सो जाऊंगा, मर जाऊंगा पर उठूंगा ही। क्या किया तुमने? अपनी प्रॉब्लम को ढेर बना दिया और ढेर सीधा ईगो से कर। और ईगो के नुकसान बहुत है, पर एक फायदा है, इसे डूएबल लगने का। ड्रामा ज्यादा दिन नहीं करना। कितने दिन? 21 दिन में कोई भी आदत लग जाती है, कोई भी आदत छूट जाती है।
जब मैंने ये सवाल पूछा,
समय तक नहीं बैठा जा रहा तो बस बैठ जा, चैलेंज ले कि मैं बैठूंगा, उठूंगा ही। प्रॉब्लम्स करूंगा, थ्योरीज पढ़ूंगा, पुराने पेपर्स देखूंगा, सो जाऊंगा, मर जाऊंगा पर उठूंगा ही। तो क्या किया तूने? अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स को ढेर बना दिया और ढेर सीधा ईगो से कनेक्टेड है। तो ईगो के नुकसान बहुत है, पर एक फायदा है, चीजें डूएबल लगने लगती हैं। और ये ड्रामा ज्यादा दिन नहीं करना। कितने दिन? 21 दिन में कोई भी आदत लग जाती है, कोई भी आदत छूट जाती है।
मैच खत्म होने से पहले जीतने की पूरी कोशिश करो। भागो, दौड़ो, खेलो, लड़ो, सब कुछ। तो एक बार मैच खत्म हो जाए, ये मत सोचो कि तुम हारे या जीते, बल्कि अपने आप से ये पूछो कि डिड आई गिव इट माय वेरी बेस्ट और नॉट। और अगर तुम्हारा जवाब हाँ है, तो ये हो गया।
बेटा, तुम्हारा रिजल्ट डिसाइड नहीं करता है तुम लूजर हो कि नहीं, तुम्हारी कोशिश डिसाइड करती है। और कोशिश तो आपने बहुत करेगा बेटा।
So कोशिश सबको करनी है, and something which I really wanted to tell you students, that we may have so many things to do. We may have that parents का भी सुनना है, the teachers that we are telling, अपने आप को भी हमने satisfy करना है. But apart from all these things that we are going to do, we really need to try. We really need to go ahead. कि कोई बात नहीं कि अच्छा technical में we are not good, तो चलो let's give it a try, right? And if in case I am not good into communication, as ma'am told you, खड़े हो जाओ, मिरर को best friend बना लो, right? So we really need to give it a try. और जब तक try नहीं करेंगे ना, we will not be able to know कि हम किस चीज में अच्छे हैं और what is our weakness, students.
You all have faced
Right?
the interviews?
Yes,
फाइनल ईयर है ना सभी? इंटरव्यू जॉब प्लेसमेंट के लिए ऑलरेडी फेस कर चुके हैं सब?
ma'am.
कितने बच्चे थ्रू हुए हैं इंटरव्यूज में? ओनली वन। बाकी सब ने इंटरव्यू के बाद घर जाके सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन किए?
नहीं, around 25 students have qualified otherwise.
नहीं
Maybe they are not
इस लॉट में से।
Yeah.
So जिन, क्योंकि अभी यस मैम तो बहुत सारे बच्चों ने बोला We have faced the interview. So that means you were lacking somewhere. बाकी 5 बच्चे अगर हमारी क्लास से सिलेक्ट हुए हैं, why not me? Have you done that introspection?
Yes.
घर जाके किस स्किल सेट की जरूरत है? That we need to polish. क्या लगा हमें? सभी एक ही क्लास से थे? फाइनल ईयर से होंगे ना सभी? That means डिग्री सबके पास है सेम? What matters is your skill set, right?
What have you learned so far? That's what we are trying to tell you, that what have you learned and what are we doing in order to overcome it? और वो हमें कैसे पता चलेगा? How we are going to, understand this thing, that we are good or not? Till the time we don't give it a try. Yes, everyone. First of all, we need to give it a try, and that's how we are going to start the first step towards our opportunities and towards excelling in our life, students. So yes, how we are going to, just to summarize it all the way, right? How we are going to build the employability training and the skills that we are going to possess with the help of, as I told you, we need to help and we need to improve our communication. And how? With the help of start a kind of a content writing. कुछ blog कर लीजिए आप लोग, कुछ presentation से start कर लीजिए. So this is going to help you, students. Fine. And if in case we're going to start with the problem solving, as I told you, work on a case study, work on something which is a crisis inside the organization. Think something which is outside the box, है ना? कि हम organization में हमेशा सब कुछ अच्छा तो नहीं होता है ना, right? There are problems, sales कम हो रही है, supplier जो है मना कर रहा है, raw material provide नहीं कर रहा है, तो there are things, n number of things which may not be in the favor.
Problem solving, right?
Right?
Okay.
So problem solving attitude. And the other one, yes, the leadership, right? Your real-time experiences with the help of internship that you can get, with the help of freelancing. Let's say, if in case you are going to have a kind of an exposure during your internship, you are doing something which is work from home, आपने कोई project किया है, right? So these things will actually going to encourage you. Right, that I can do these part, now I can move forward as well for the further opportunities.
If someone is good at digital marketing, you can build your career in that also. If someone is good in GST, you can earn thousands and lakhs of rupees while sitting at home. So work on your skill set, right? BTech वाले बच्चों के पास hard skills हैं, technical skills हैं, right? But हमारे पास क्या है? Soft skills होते हैं, right? So we need to polish that. We have to very strong in our interpersonal comm skills and the problem solving abilities.
So yes, of course, last but not the least, which is time management. Set your priorities, students. When we have time to assess the social media, when we have time to do every other task, but we don't have time to something which is going to enhance our knowledge. That means there is no time management. And time management is all about setting your priorities. Fine? So yes, it is very important, setting up your priorities, working towards your goal. So these are how some of the skills that you are going to need. But what if, right? Because see, there are things which are not going to be the same. There are environments which are not going to be the same. The example that we and you both have actually common is the COVID ones. We have all seen this scenario. So plan changes, students. Situation changes.
Be ready with the plan
B. Right? So sometimes you may not get the good marks, right? Sometimes you may not get that same opportunities, but you should always and always be ready with the plan B, students, right? So that's how plan changes. And change is what? The law of nature. So somebody who is not changing, I'll tell you one thing, somebody who has not developed themselves and who has not changed themselves, I'll say that the person is not growing. Agree with that? So that means we are static. We are not doing anything. We are not dynamic. So we really need to change ourselves. At this point of a time also, everyone, all of us, the faculty members, we all are studying. We are doing courses, we are attending development programs. For what reason? Right? We have done enough, right? But still we are doing it because there is a change in the environment, and we being into teaching the students, this this responsibility is on to us, that we need to brush up our skills time by time. We need to cover these skills. We need to cover all the courses, right? Either in terms of AI, either in terms of your technical skills. We need to brush up our skills also. So we being a faculty, when we are doing it, so you being a students, when you are ready for that, right? We need to change ourselves accordingly. Yes or no? Yes? A little, I am not able to hear from that side. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Are we ready for change?
Yes, ma'am.
From this position to something which we aspire for. Yes, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
फर्स्ट नहीं किया शायद लास्ट
हाँ.
शो ने.
या भूख लगी है, लंच का टाइम तो नहीं हो गया इतनी जल्दी वैसे. नहीं, अभी है टाइम. Yes. So, and
स्मार्ट गोल्स तो सभी को पता है. स्मार्ट बच्चे हैं तो स्मार्ट गोल्स हैं. Specific, measurable, attainable, relevant and time bound, right? So everyone has set their smart goals?
Yes, ma'am.
Really?
सबने सेट नहीं किए
I'm going to
goals.
call you on the dice.
Yes.
Okay? So it's high time you should? हाँ. चैन से सोना है तो जाग जाओ, right? चल.
So आज हमने जाके ना वैसे एक एक्टिविटी करनी है सबने, है ना? हम लोग ना एक पेपर लेंगे, पेन लेंगे और उस right we have this activity we can do is right now as well if time allows. We'll do it later otherwise.
What we can do, we can conclude the event.
Right,
But
ma'am.
students will keep sitting here. They'll do this exercise.
Right.
And after half an hour, when they will write down some sentences, they'll hand over sheets to the teachers and then they'll move.
Oh,
sure.
So we are giving homework to them. We'll be free and they'll be doing homework. Is it okay with it?
Yes, ma'am.
That's very nice. So what you need to do is, let me tell you what are you supposed to do. What you need to do is, you need to set your SMART goals, right? S for specific, M for measurable, something which is हमने treasure नहीं लेके आना है, something which we can measure, right? Something which is we can actually do, something which is logical.
And I
will do it,
right?
So just, and that's how I'm going to conclude also with this song. And thank you so much.
Thank you.
ओ सदते मैं जावा मेरी दिल जानिया मैं शीश झुकावा मेरी दिल जानिया तेरे नाम जो कर जावा कम है वो तू सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी है सारे जहां पे भारी मेरे भारत की बेटी दिल जाने शान हमारी मेरे भारत की बेटी जीती रहो
I want everyone to please sing just for one line. भारत की बेटी, aren't we? Yes.
जो तेरे नैनों से टपके हर आंसू है अपना जो तेरे होठों पे ठहरे वो गीत अब अपना जो सीना तान के तू चल दे